Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how do you set up pockets on Revolut. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up your Revolut application. So once you have opened up and you're logged in, so log into your application. So once you're all logged in, so what you're going to do now here is you're going to go to the Hub tab here. So on your lower right, go to the Hub tab. So click on Hub. So when you get to Hub, under Essentials, you'll see Pockets. So Pockets are actually a place where you can keep your money aside for any purpose, like for your bills or any other commitments. You know, that's what it is for. So once you get to Pockets, hit on Start. So when you hit on Start here, so you can click on Get Started. All right, and then what you can do here, you can just just choose from suggested pockets. You can choose any of these pockets here, and that's pre-made, or you can simply click on Create Your Pockets. All right, so when you click on Create Your Pockets, you can name your pockets. For example, you can name these for example, like gas bill, something like that. All right, so you can save it, and you can also customize it with your image, so you can add your own image or something like that. So you can do that too. All right, and then click on, so once you're done with that, hit on Next. All right, so click on Continue, and then here you can pick payments. So you can choose, you can add your payments here. So if there's any recurring payments that will be paid frequently, so you can just hit on Add Payment, and then choose your bank account from where a transaction will occur. So you can set that up, and then hit on Add Recipients. So you can set that up, or you can set a new payment options, for example, like card recipient, if you don't, or bank recipient, something like that. So you can just hit on it and then complete the process with your card details, and then that's and that's one thing. Or else you can also use your pre-made pockets here, for example, like here housing. So you can use that and then pick now, and then add your payment details and everything, and set up your pocket and complete the process. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful to you all. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.